In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses and bills in Zoho Books. We'll start with a quick expense you've already paid, and then we'll log a bill you need to pay later. This keeps your accounts accurate and your cash flow clear. From your Zoho Books dashboard, open the Purchases module on the left, then choose Expenses. Click New to create a fresh expense entry. First, set the date. Pick the actual day the money left your account or when the purchase occurred. Accurate dates keep your reports and reconciliations tidy. Next, choose the expense account. This is the category you want the cost to hit, like office supplies, utilities, or travel. Pick the best fit account your organization uses, so later analysis is meaningful. Enter the amount you spent. Double check currency and decimals and include tax in the total only if your workflow requires it. If your organization tracks tax separately, make sure your tax settings reflect that. Now, select Paid Through. This tells Zoho Books which wallet the money came from, such as a specific bank account, a company card, or petty cash. Using the correct Paid Through account ensures your bank feeds and reconciliations match up. When everything looks good, click Save. Your expense is now recorded and will appear in expense reports and account balances. Next, let's add a vendor bill you'll pay later. Return to Purchases, and this time choose Bills. Click New. To start a bill, select a vendor from your list so the bill ties to the right supplier and payment terms. If you don't see the vendor, you'll need to add it to your contacts outside of this screen before continuing. Enter the bill number exactly as it appears on the supplier's document. This helps prevent duplicates and makes audits easier. Set the bill date to the date shown on the invoice. Your due date will follow the vendor's terms. Under Item Details, select the item you're being billed for. Confirm quantity, rate, and any applicable taxes or discounts according to your setup, so the bill total matches the supplier's invoice. Finally, click Save as Open. Open means the bill is recorded, awaiting payment, and will show up in your payables and cash flow planning. And that's it. You've logged a paid expense and captured an outstanding bill in Zoho Books, keeping your records complete and ready for reconciliation and reporting.